Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. I'm Melissa. I'm behind the camera because we don't have a tripod at the moment, so I will be doing most of this filming from behind the scenes. And then this is Noah.
Hi.
Most of you have known him and met him in our shorts we've been making. So we've decided to start making some learn to skate videos because I have been figure skating for 33 years. I was competitive when I was younger, and I coach now on and off. And now Noah, about 16 months ago, has recently taken to ice hockey and absolutely loves it. So we are going to spend some time making some learn to skate videos just in case anybody wants to learn how to skate. Before we go any further, as always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you want more information on learning how to skate, or we will eventually do bigger things like figure skating and hockey playing moves later on down the line, since obviously we are fairly new to this whole thing and still figuring it out. Go team. But we're doing it.
Yeah.
We need a tripod.
Oh, yeah.
Like, that's on the list of
Yeah.
things. Because then I can put my skates on and skate with you, and
Yeah.
it would probably work out better.
But you won't be in the slush.
I know. So today we're going to talk about the first time you ever lace up ice skates and take the ice. I know that this could be pretty intimidating. And I know that the main concern is, well, what if I fall down? Well, I hate to tell you, we all fall down.
Yeah.
I've been figure skating for 33 years and I still fall down. Noah's been skating for 16 months, plays hockey, and he also still falls down. But what it comes down to is you're never going to know unless you're brave enough to try. Ready? I got that on video too.
That's why you don't want to lean back too much. I almost fell again. Okay, there.
Anything else?
Yeah, don't lean backwards. It hurts.
One more time?
Don't lean backwards because you'll fall, as you can see. Because I got like this, right? Skate got caught in the slush. Boom! I went backwards. I almost fell. So, yeah. Don't want to lean backwards.
But again, I'm going to repeat myself. Falling down is inevitable, and it's totally okay. It is okay, I promise. Ice skating is actually a very low impact sport, so it's okay on the body. Believe it or not, a little bit of factual information. There are men that are 92 years old that do play hockey.
That is true.
And there are women that still do figure skate, doing, single jumps and axles and stuff like that are in their 50s. So it is totally safe. Even if you fall down, that's okay. Brush yourself off and get back up. Again, always be brave enough to try new things. And if you have any questions, make sure to put it down in the comments. So anyway, let's get to the important stuff. So the first time you take the ice, you're going to step out onto the ice carefully. Usually, because these boards are a little odd since we're in the middle of a city park right now, usually you're going to want to grab the boards and get yourself out onto the ice.
Yeah, you'll go.
Safely. Once you're out on the ice, you're going to want to put your arms up like an airplane, and you're going to put your feet nice and close together. You're going to want to keep your arms up no matter what at all times, because gravity is a thing. If you start swinging your arms around, you are either going to go forward, backwards, sideways, upside down, reverse, or something to that effect. So the first thing about ice skating is the biggest thing you want to learn is how to find your center of balance. Your arms being out like an airplane at all times is going to help you do that. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to take little tiny steps and march like a soldier. There's no gliding. There's no fanciness. It's literally one foot in front of the other, tiny little steps. You don't have to go fast. It doesn't have to go, crazy. Once you get comfortable with that, you're going to stop. You're going to keep your arms up like an airplane. Or drive a car. You're not going to drive a car. That's not going to be helpful. Don't watch what he's doing. So you're going to keep your arms up like an airplane. You're going to bend your knees. You're going to do one little push And then you're going to put your feet together and glide a little bit. And then once you slow down, because you will slow down from the friction of the ice, you're going to do it again. One little push. And then you're just going to wait to slow down. Make sure you're keeping your feet together. You do not want to do this because you will fall down. Make sure your feet are together. And if they're about shoulder width apart, that's also okay. It's not going to affect anything. You have to use your natural stance. So Noah's natural stance is his feet closer together. Yours may not be that way. But you definitely want to keep in mind that when you do this, your skate laces should be pointing directly towards the ceiling.
Oh,
if your skate laces and the top of your skate is pointing up towards the ceiling, even if your feet are a little far apart, then that is A-okay. You are still doing the right thing, and you have less of a chance of falling down. Peanut butter hockey time.
Peanut butter hockey time.
We hope you love ice skating as much as we do.
Yeah.